Are you ready to meet the most amazing hermit crabs? From colorful claws to super speed scuttling, these little crustaceans have more tricks up their shells than you might think. Stick around until the end, because one of the facts is going to totally surprise you. So let's get started. Fact number 1, a group of male hermit crabs will form a circle and shake their shells at each other like a conga line. This is part of what's called a shell change dance. It's when a group of male hermit crabs of the same size get together and make a circle. They then proceed to bang their shells against each other in a ritual that can last for hours. The noise they make is loud enough for scientists to record with underwater microphones. But why do they do this? Nobody knows for sure, but researchers believe that it's part of their mating rituals. Each male wants to be the first to mate with a female who has recently vacated her old shell and is looking for a new one. All those fancy footwork and shell banging are a way for the males to show off and impress the females. Fact number 2, some species of hermit crabs can live up to 35 years. Yes, you heard that right. Some hermit crabs can live up to 35 years if they're lucky. That's longer than some humans. Their lifespan depends on many factors, such as their environment and whether they have enough food to eat. Fact number 3, hermit crabs use their sense of smell to find food. They can smell food from far away and will go out of their way to get to it. This is important because finding food is essential for their survival. If they can't find enough food, they'll eventually starve. Fact number 4, hermit crabs need a shell to survive. They carry their shell with them everywhere they go. In fact, you can often see them walking sideways with their shell on their back. The shell protects them from predators and also helps them to keep their body moist. Without a shell, they would be very vulnerable and could easily dry out and die. Fact number 5, hermit crabs come in all shapes and sizes. There are over 800 different types of hermit crabs. They range in size from a few millimeters to over 10 centimeters. The largest species of hermit crab is the giant African hermit crab, which can grow up to 1 meter in length. That's about the size of a small dog. Fact number 6, hermit crabs are scavengers. They mostly eat dead animals and plants. This is why you often see them on beaches. Beaches are full of dead stuff that hermit crabs can feast on. Fact number 7, hermit crabs only have one set of legs for swimming. When they're on land, they use their side legs to get around. But when they're in the water, they use their front legs to swim. They can't breathe on land, so they have to spend most of their time in the water. Fact number 8, hermit crabs can regenerate their limbs. If they lose a leg or an antenna, they can grow it back. However, this doesn't happen overnight. It can take several weeks or even months for the new limb to grow in. Fact number 9, the world's fastest hermit crab can scuttle sideways at a speed of 3.5 miles per hour. That's faster than most land animals. The record was set by a Japanese hermit crab named Toshi Omagari. He was able to achieve this speed thanks to his specially modified shell. His shell is wider in the back than in the front, which gives him more leverage when he walks. Number 10. You can keep hermit crabs as pets. They make great pets because they're relatively low maintenance. You just need to make sure they have enough space, food, and water. With proper care, your hermit crabs can live for many years. So there you have it, 10 amazing facts about hermit crabs. We hope you enjoyed learning about these amazing creatures. And remember, no matter how small and insignificant they may seem, every species has something unique to offer our planet. Thanks for watching and see you next time.